Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature that will actually lock the screen while the game runs. On Windows, open Settings. On Mac OS, open System Preferences. On Android, open Security. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb or an app-specific auto-lock utility and allow necessary permissions. Make sure you have a controller or keyboard nearby and memorize the Quick Unlock shortcut. This prepares the system to stay focused on the game while preventing accidental screen changes. Next, you configure exactly how the lock behaves when you launch your game. Adjust the auto-lock delay or create an exception so the game remains active while the rest of the system locks. Once done, enable overlays or blocking rules to prevent notifications and accidental app switches. This preserves performance and immersion. Make sure to map a convenient hotkey to toggle the lock, because you will need a fast way to regain control without navigating menus during gameplay. Finally, activate your setup and validate it under real conditions. Launch the game and trigger the lock with the hotkey or wait for the auto rule. Observe that the game continues, but the screen switching and notifications are blocked. Once done, test the unlock path to ensure controller or shortcut restores full access. If things go wrong, check permissions, app exceptions, and update drivers or the lock utility. This usually fixes input or overlay conflicts quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.